Hello, and this is part 3 of fixing the garage. Last part, and we're doing inside the garage at the moment. Tracy's done that one. I couldn't get that one on video. Has she? Yeah, I think she has. Sorry if I didn't get that on video, but okay. Here we go.
And if this old shop will do the job.
That's quite a big chunk of wood.
Well, the sharp off the old kitchen, but I think it'll make a nice strong job, so I'll try that. Because it's just temporary, we're not going to be keeping
Oh my god, that gives a shock.
These doors. But we'll have them for a little while. These need to be a bit secure.
I didn't realize screwdrivers were so loud outside, so I didn't know if ever.
It's exactly loud.
It's just louder than I thought it was because I've been in the car for the other videos, so that was a difference.
Put the screws in here.
Just going to be a bit of a short part. Hopefully the wasp doesn't show up in the short period of time we're filming this.
They're all in bed now.
Well, that one was up a few minutes ago.
That was where the sun was out, the sun's going.
Oh. It's a bit of a bad position, you can't really see that, but...
Do 2 more screws and I think that's just good. Be nice and secure.
Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. I forgot to say this on all of the other videos, but turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.
Screws and then we're done.
I don't know why you want to see Tracy get the screws, but here we go.
Last one.
We're done?
Roll back on.
Okay. Come back for part 1 on making garage door perfect, which is going to be in quite a while, but it's still coming. Don't miss it. That's why I'm telling you to turn on notifications.